You could say the first band to grace the Midsouth Audio Stage this year got together by accident of sorts, and we are so glad they did. We would like to introduce you to Hope for Success. Woo! We're all excited, right?
Yes.
All right. So I've got Drew Fitzke here.
Yes.
Drew, introduce us to everybody.
Okay, so that's Elena on vocals.
Hi.
We have Jasper Isaacs on the guitar.
All right.
And my little brother Alex Fitzke on the drums.
All right. Oh, so excited. So explain first how the three of you guys got together.
Okay, so Alex and I have been playing music for quite a long time with each other, and
Sure.
we were doing something for the Kids Got Talent program out at the Milton Farmers Market. And our last song was called Seven Nation Army, and Jasper decided that he would sit in on it with us because he knew how to play it, and that's how we got started.
And then enter Elena.
Yes, we were at school and we needed someone for a big benefit that we were doing for the Performing Arts Booster Club, and we met Elena.
So exciting.
Yes.
So tell us what you're performing for us today.
So the first song that we're doing is a song by Stevie Nicks featuring Tom Petty. It's called Stop Dragging My Heart Around.
All right, take it away. Ladies and gentlemen, Hope for Success on the Midsouth Audio Stage.